Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be stir-fry Kang Kong with sliced squid. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more cooking videos. And let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Please look at the preparation for the ingredients below. And let's go cooking! Add in oil into a wok. Add in the minced garlic and stir fry till fragrance is out. Add in the water spinach and fry till softened. Once softened, add in the squid and stir fry till squid is cooked. You do not need to cook the squid for too long or you become very rubbery. Add in another 2 tablespoons of Sambal paste depending on the spiciness that you want. When it becomes too dry, add in a bit of water. Put all the ingredients in the paste and give it a taste. If it's too spicy, you can use some sugar to even it out. Mix well and it's done. That's it. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like that video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!